Homemade Spicy Chicken Biryani Recipe for Eid Festival, Eid Mubarak Special. Assalamu alaikum, everyone, welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Eid Mubarak. Today, we're bringing you a special treat for Eid, homemade spicy chicken biryani. It's aromatic, flavorful, and perfect for celebrating with your loved ones. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, this recipe is sure to impress. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's go over the ingredients you'll need to make this delicious biryani. 1. 2 cups basmati rice. 2. 500 grams chicken, cut into pieces. 3. 2 onions, thinly sliced. 4. 3 tomatoes, chopped. 5. 4 green chilies, slit. 6. 1 cup plain yogurt. 7. 4 cloves garlic, minced. 8. 1-inch ginger, grated. 9. Handful of fresh coriander leaves, chopped. 10. Handful of fresh mint leaves, chopped. 11. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 12. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 13. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 14. 1 tablespoon biryani masala. 15. Salt to taste. 16. Cooking oil. 17. Ghee, optional. 18. Saffron strands, soaked in warm milk, for garnish. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. Start by marinating the chicken. In a bowl, add the chicken pieces, yogurt, minced garlic, grated ginger, chopped coriander leaves, chopped mint leaves, turmeric powder, red chili powder, biryani masala, and salt to taste. Mix everything well, ensuring the chicken is evenly coated with the marinade. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Step 2. Cooking the chicken. Next, heat some oil in a large pot over medium heat. Now, add the marinated chicken to the pot. Cook the chicken until it's tender and the masala is well infused, stirring occasionally. Step 3. Adding tomatoes and green chilies. Once the chicken is cooked, add the chopped tomatoes and slit green chilies to the pot. Mix everything well and cook until the tomatoes are soft and the mixture thickens slightly. Step 4. Cooking basmati rice. While the chicken masala is simmering, let's cook the basmati rice. Rinse the rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. Then, soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. This helps in achieving long and fluffy grains. In a separate pot, bring water to a boil. Add salt and cumin seeds to the boiling water. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the boiling water. Cook the rice until it's 70 to 80% done. We want the rice to be slightly undercooked as it will finish cooking with the chicken later. Step 5. Layering the biryani. Now comes the fun part, layering the biryani. Take a separate large pot or a deep baking dish. Start by spreading a layer of cooked rice at the bottom of the pot. Next, spoon a layer of the chicken masala over the rice. Repeat the layers until all the rice and chicken are used up, ending with a layer of rice on top. Step 6. Garnishing the biryani. For added flavor and aroma, drizzle some ghee over the top layer of rice. Then, evenly pour the saffron milk over the rice. Step 7. Dum cooking the biryani. Now, it's time for dum cooking, which is essentially slow cooking the biryani on low heat to allow the flavors to meld together perfectly. Cook the biryani on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to mingle and the rice to fully cook. And there you have it, our homemade spicy chicken biryani is ready to be served. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Garnish the biryani with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves for a burst of freshness. Eid Mubarak. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, Eid Mubarak and happy cooking.